Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Oh, look, it's the Pound Puppies pink carry-along van. Oh, it opens up. You can't fit inside of there, kitten. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it up. I'm sure there are some fun surprises inside. Oh, look who's inside. It's Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle and Makka Pakka. Oh, this looks so fun. The pink van unfolded into a little town. There's a circus tent and a schoolhouse. See a little teeter-totter. Oh, and a little green bush. There's even a stable with a little horse. What is the horse carrying? It's pulling a cart full of hay. And it parks in the Dude Ranch. It says the City Pound. There must be some little animals hidden somewhere in the little town. Let's go inside and find the little animals. Upsy Daisy loves to visit the waterfall. I love waterfalls too, Upsy Daisy. Let's go see a big, pretty waterfall. There's something hidden behind this waterfall. Let's turn the little yellow plate and see. Oh, it's a little brown pound puppy. It's so tiny and cute. Woof, woof. Makka Pakka is visiting the kids at the schoolhouse. Ring, 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 ring. What's inside the schoolhouse? I think it's another little puppy. Let's see, can my finger fit inside? It's a little gray puppy. Ruff, ruff. That was in the upstairs of the schoolhouse. Let's see who's in the downstairs. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Oh dear. It's a little black kitty. Meow, meow. What subject is the kitten learning in school today? Look at the chalkboard. I see numbers. 2 + 2 = 4. The little black kitten is learning math. Ring, 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 ring. The bell has gone and it is time for recess. The puppies and kitties had their snack and now they're outside on the teeter-totter. Up, down, up, down. They can even play hopscotch. I wonder if there's something hiding in this green bush. Let's have a look. It's another kitten. Meow. What a cute little play set. We have one more thing to do before we say goodbye. There's a little dog and cats van, pink and purple. And there's a little button that will make the van shoot down the hill. Ready? Let's push the button. Oh, Makka Pakka, do you want to do it? Makka Pakka. Okay, here we go. Watch closely. 3, 2, 1, go! How come it's not working, Makka Pakka? Uh-oh, we better try it again. Count down with us. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it sort of worked. Oh, does this open up? Oh, it does, but there's no puppies or kittens inside. That's a good thing. That means they're at home, safe where they need to be. All right, tiny fans, thanks for joining us today. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. There are 3 blue boxes and who's standing on top? It's Daniel Tiger. What could be in these boxes? It says Playmobil, although it says it upside down, but Daniel Tiger can read it. Let's open the first box. It's teeny tiny Playmobil. It's too small for Daniel Tiger. Let's make Daniel Tiger smaller. There we go. Now this is more his size. We have a little miniature Noah's Ark. There are trees, and there are some little figures standing under these trees. And there's a lake with the ark or boat, red in color. Oh, the top pops off and they're attached by little magnets. Now, what animals do you see? A rhino, and we have 2 elephants. And over here there are 2 camels with humps on their backs, 2 beautiful zebras. Oh, and we have 2 lions. Roar! Now, Daniel, can you tell me which is the male, the boy lion, and what is the girl, female lion? The one with the mane is the male, and the one without the mane is the female, the mother lion. We have 2 tall giraffes with long necks. Such a cute little set. We want to close the box so we don't lose any of these teeny tiny pieces. We have our second box. Oh, and what do you see, tiny fans? Oops! There are some pieces that we need to put together. This one is a castle. Oh, and there's a red dragon hiding. Oh, and the knights with their horses are trying to protect the castle from the dragon. How many horses are there? There are 3 white horses and 2 black horses, which makes 5 horses total. Now the castle looks like it belongs here. We just need to put it together. There are 4 pieces. This piece looks like it goes right here. And the 2 side pieces. And we turn it around. I think this piece goes here. We just need to snap them together. Now these Playmobil sets are called Micro Playmobil. Micro meaning teeny, teeny, tiny. The castle fits right there. And the knights are ready to protect. But little do they know, the red dragon, it has wings so it can fly. It flies up into the air. Where's it going to land? Right in the middle of the courtyard. Now, if we try and close the set, it won't close because the castle's too tall. So in order to store it properly, we need to take the castle apart, which is really easy, and put the pieces back the way they were when we opened it. We have 1 more box to open. Let's see what's inside. It's another teeny tiny castle. A beautiful pink princess castle. And there's 2 pieces. I see some stairs in there. I think there's a bottom and a top. And I see where the castle goes. You can see the shape. We match it up. And then we can pop the top on. Now in this set, it looks like there's a special occasion. Everyone is dressed up in fancy clothing. And there's a horse and carriage carrying a bride and groom. Looks like there's a wedding happening at the castle today. Dun, dun, da, dun. Dun, dun, da, dun. I loved looking at these miniature sets. And Daniel looks so small again compared to the 3 boxes stacked. Let's make him big again. There we go. Which set was your favorite, Tiny fans? Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Makka Pakka is in science class. And we have our little My Generation science kit called Under the Microscope. And it has a real functioning light. This packaging is made from recycled materials. I love toy companies that care about our Earth. Under the microscope includes, of course, a purple microscope. A microscope helps us see teeny tiny organisms like bacteria. And let's turn on that little light, and it will help us see our slide better. There we go. We'll put it on the table. And Makka Pakka needs to wear eye protection in case anything splashes up into his face. We always need to protect our eyes. Oh, these don't fit on you, Makka Pakka. Let's put this elastic on and they will stay on your face. There we go. This is called a flask. And as you can see, there are little lines with numbers. And these numbers are in milliliters. 500 milliliters of liquid. And then there's little tiny test tubes. And they have liquid inside of them as well. We have some pink liquid. And we have yellow liquid and purple liquid. Makka Pakka has been in the lab growing bacteria on his petri dish. Let's have a look at his slide. Ooh, this little microorganism looks like Iggle Piggle. And this organism looks like Tinky Winky from the Teletubbies. Organisms live on our skin, on the surface of door handles, and everywhere we go. Next, we will do a lab class using vinegar and baking soda to create a volcano. Stay tuned, Tiny fans. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.